Hi and Assalamualaikum. So now I will teach you how to use Padlet. To join your teacher's Padlet, you can click on the Join Padlet and then paste the URL and then click OK. To make a new Padlet, just click on the Make a Padlet and then you can choose whatever kind of wall that you wanted. So I'm gonna use wall. Next, you can see here, you can edit your title. You can also edit the description to whatever that you wanted. Next, you can also upload an icon. You can change the wallpaper by clicking on the wallpaper and pick the wallpaper that you wanted. You can edit your font and also other settings as well. So you can add your work by clicking on the plus button. You can add document, pictures, URL and many more. Here, I want to show you one of my class Padlet. So this is the wall of my class Padlet. You can submit or add your work by clicking on the plus button and add your work. That's all. Thank you. Bye-bye.